Hello, Imagine Cup. We are the EduBob project, and today we're going to be talking about EduBob's math software that runs on specifically the hardware of the Classmate PC. And now I'm going to hand it over to Max Krockman and Daniel Lane.
Here we have the Intel Classmate PC, which is sold in the United States and developing countries, and for the developing countries of only about $100, much reduced price than what we have to pay here in the United States. The Classmate PC comes with a ruggedized, rubberized shell that resists shocks and drops up to 4 to 6 feet. It has a water-resistant keyboard, which allows for accidental spillage of drinks and such to keep it from ruining the hardware. It also has a flipping screen, which changes it into a tablet PC for students who don't want to use the keyboard, including with a stylus for its touchscreen and a flipping webcam. Daniel?
Okay, now we're going to talk about the EduBob math software. So I'm going to bring up the math software and show you the features that goes into the software. Okay, this is the main screen for the EduBob math software. And here you will see our lessons, our status of assignments, and if you click this arrow, you can see more lessons. So let's go ahead and take a look at lesson 1. Under lesson 1 we have 10 problems, and if a student is just starting the lesson, he can go and say clicks on problem 6. He can start to solve the problem. And say he inputs an incorrect answer, and he hits check first step. Our SQL database, which is running off the EduBob server, will check his answer against the correct answer, and will tell him if he gets it wrong. If it is incorrect, he can click help, and it will help him out with the correct answer, the correct first step, and he can continue on. When he is done, he can go back to the main screen, and after he has finished that lesson, he can go back to the home screen and he can look at what assignments he still needs to complete. Our student here today has completed assignment 1, and he still needs to complete assignment 2 and 3. All of this, the status of assignments, the lessons, the problems, are all based on our SQL database on the EduBob server. These assignments are coming from the server, and it can be generated for a different school, for each different school that needs the information. We can customize these curriculums for any grade level and a variety of different subjects.
Our EduBob project goal is to increase the education value of students in the United States and developing countries, specifically for Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, and hopefully in future years with future versions, other types of math and other genres of education with other subjects.